Slice up this record, this is Nyah. Jamaican woman, yeah, uno bad. But watch this, hear the message. Woman burned a number, so I call this number 2. Now, woman burned at the gas station, dead. Alright, God. TikTok would all ban you, just use the word there a while ago. Because you have to say unalive. All these fuck with them who make the Chinese man, the white Bayanese man, them turn in a damn ass, see? You have to say unalive, you cannot say kill or dead. Because they will shut down your life, they minimize your life for that, if you smoke your weed, that's something you do. That's your regular thing. You can't depend on them platform. And so, yo, you man, I don't want to tell a certain thing now. You think we give a fuck about YouTube and shit, but I do give a fuck about the woman who dead at the gas station by a girl who she and her in a fight. Obviously, she do some injury or something really bad to the girl, and the girl put gas on her. The girl at the gas station attendant and light her fire. And she burn up, and a few days later now, weeks later, maybe about 2 weeks later now, you hear that say she dead. So who on the live now who never know that? You know that now, you can make some people know that, but that's not something good for now. That's not something good for now, but deeper for now, not none at all. But deeper than that, because it's deeper, you know. And two men really did go in it yet. It's deeper than that, because what it really highlights the whole warrior violent spirit of the Jamaican female. Yes, I know some people the live either gonna get good or get bad when you do something like that. Yeah, why I'm ever edit that and send that out. Yeah, I get no views or well of views when you say something like that. It highlights this bad spirit where Jamaican woman them take on. That's what man them have long time and still have too. But the woman them a bit whole heap now. Bumbuckly. Yeah, you just gas up a girl and just light her. Are they so they know? Bumbuckly. Bad. Yeah, we bad. Yeah, the Jamaican woman them, yeah, uno bad. Yeah, give me ice. Watch your word there. Slice up this record, this is Nyah. Jamaican woman, yeah, uno bad. But watch this, hear the message. Bad is not good. I do have to say one more friggin' thing.